Hey guys, so this is a video test from the Sony XZ2 compact, and this video is now being recorded at 1080p Full HD 30 frames per second with steady shot on. So this is how it looks like at night. So still, this is in Causeway Bay, Hong Kong. Yeah, and still one of the busiest streets in Hong Kong, just as the previous video I did with the Zenfone 5. So yeah, and this is the nighttime example. So the video does look quite choppy, you know, during preview, but I think things are going to be a lot better when the actual result comes out. So yeah, I think it's not actually that bad, and there's not a lot of visible noise or anything, you know, it just kind of works. And if you test out the focus, pretty snappy, the autofocus, it works kind of nice, and the overall footage is rather steady, to be honest. You know, the footage is really usable, no problems whatsoever, and you don't get that sort of flickering from the plates on those buses. So I'd say it's slightly better than the Asus Zenfone 5. And this phone actually features the exact same camera sensor and setup as the XZ2. So it's just a slightly, you know, smaller form factor, 2GB RAM shorter, but otherwise it's pretty much the same as the Sony's latest flagship, or you know, before the XZ2 Premium comes out. So overall the footage is still rather good. So let's try walk along the street to test out the stability. So I'm now holding it with both hands, probably the way that you're going to record videos for most of the times, and another quick snap. So this is how it looks like without a gimbal. So Sony has impressed me a lot with its electronic stabilization feature. It's been pretty steady the whole time and looks kind of great. So let's end the video here. If it helped you out, please like and subscribe. If it didn't, thumbs down, and I'll see you in the next one.